a great little trimmer. I'll have a link to it. Hey, welcome back, friends. We got this FSA 57 battery operated STIHL trimmer, and we've got to put some line in the end of it. And you know they sell these spools that basically go on right here. They go on right here and they wind up and they got the white plastic around. They got these inserts that you can buy, but I'm going to show you how you can save money and spool your own, because those are about $8 a piece. So let me show you something real quick. We're going to take our line here and I'm going to go ahead and spool out, I don't know, about 10 feet, 10, 12 feet. And we're going to cut it right here. I'm going to cut this off at a little bit of an angle, at a 45. And then what we're going to do is we're going to line up this little mark right here that you see. We're going to line it up with the hose here on the end. And the reason is that there is a place in here that you can feed, that feeds both these tracks. Now watch this. It's going to come out the bottom. Okay, you see that? So now all we're going to do is we're going to pull it till it's even. Maybe just a little bit more. Okay. Now we're even. We're going to take it like this, and right here we're going to wind it just like this. There we go. And it starts winding up the line. So we're just going to wind it, push down, turn it, and this saves you a ton of money. And we're almost there. Now I also have some spools. If you just wanted to pop these ends out and put your new spool in there to make it a little bit easier on you, I'm going to leave them in the links below in the comments, and you'll be able to see those. And I'm not sponsored by anyone in particular, but I do want to talk to you about things that can make things a little bit easier on you as well. So we can see that we can go out just a little bit longer. Okay. And there we go. So let's start weed eating. Let's see what happens. Shove our battery all the way in. There we go. Now, it's a little bit thicker line. This is 080 line. It calls for 065, but you can run up to 080 in it. So I'm going to measure over here. See that right there? Cut that off. And now we should be good. There we go. So as you can see, there's two ways you can do it. You can wind the line yourself, line up the marks, run through the hole, even out both sides, wind it up, or use the plastic inserts and put in there. So let's go out and see if this thing will weed eat. Oh, perfect. This looks great. This is a great little trimmer. I'll have a link to it. It's a pretty powerful little weed eater. All right, there you have it, folks. This little FSA is a great little trimmer. I hope you enjoyed this video and a new way that you can put string onto this spool. You don't have to buy the inserts. You can string it yourself. Hey, I thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this out with your friends. Leave me a comment of what you think about this trimmer. I'll leave a link to the trimmer in the comments. Hey, I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget, love God and love your neighbor.